unity of space souls around the globe. Those who do not want any expectation or second coming, they can forget about it. Many say don't come back. Okay, for them. Don't expect. Is it not so? So hope is lost for those who do not want it. Hope is made to pause for the sake of Global MESSOULS Association and MESSOULS business ways for the beginners. Those who want hope, they can utilize it by expanding space through Global MESSOULS Association, the business lines. To begin up, INR 39 lakhs per month, 1,200 souls. So all those who feel the hope is lost, it's lost. All those who feel that hope can be created through space, then hope is not lost for them. Hope can be created and hope can be made hopeless also. So brand souls, if they want spirituality, there is fulfillment with spirituality of God consciousness, then there is meaning for Sanatana yogic system to be in the awareness of new millennium change. For them, hope is not lost. But all those who do not expect, their hope is lost. It is not the same way of the past that's going to happen, but in a different way. It's love that matters. Religion of yogic love. There is meaning for brand souls to be in the awareness of straight right, straight left and straight straighteousness. Then it is business, begin-ups for the infrastructure. Because last so many years, all are in the speculation without having any important role for the purpose. So I have begun the advent with certain levels of understanding the practicality. So, space for MESSOULS, new circumstances, new waves, the traveling mood, and there is meaning for same-minded, integrated, loving energies to keep the world intact, for Bachlors and Spinsters to feel their unity in space. That will take care of hope. If many do not want it, it can just keep that type of promise out from the mind, but spirituality will be there intact. Right? Few words, casual words, only for the sake of many who are confused, have so much doubts, then the cosmic universe leading space has no doubt at all. It's really happening for the sake of uplifting human beings. Nij Yogic Life. Love to you all. Messengers of love and religion of love. Space for MESSOULS. Strangers, they can get connected with me. For INR 39 lakhs per month. Beginners. Power manifestation souls, power manifestation categories only.